What's up everybody, Hollywood Will back with another review. Today we are going to review my 3-speed exhaust hood. I love this because, first of all, it was super easy to install. You guys can kind of see the bracket mounts up there. This is flush to the nice tile that I have. Now I use this at nighttime for basically just the light. Can you guys see that there? See it underneath there? But there are also other functions when you are cooking down here. We see we're getting ready for tomorrow, but when you're cooking down here and let's say the smoke is starting to overcome, you can hit that. Now there's 3 speeds to this. So this comes in super handy. Now there is a permanent filter in here, so I do like that as well. It is stylish. I need to clean the glass a little bit better, but this is super well priced. I love mine, and I think you guys will too. It fits so comfortably in there. You heard it from Hollywood.